the radio's warning alarm systems. The attention signals you just heard will automatically activate special receivers to warn of the impending hazard. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm feature will vary with distance from the transmitter. This test is conducted each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon, but may be postponed if there is hazardous weather in the region. In that case, the test will be held on the first available good weather day. We now return to our regular programming. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for southwest New Hampshire and north central Massachusetts, south to State Route 2, including Manchester, Nashua, and Keene. Rest of today, sunny. Highs in the mid-70s.
Alright, folks.
Light and variable winds.
There you have it.
Tonight, mostly clear. Lows in the mid-50s. Light and variable winds. Thursday, partly sunny. A chance of showers in the afternoon. Highs in the mid-70s. Light and variable winds, becoming south around 10 miles an hour in the afternoon. Chance of rain 40%. Thursday night, cloudy. A chance of showers until midnight, then showers likely after midnight. Lows in the upper 50s. South winds around 10 miles and... Friday, showers in the morning.
I don't know why that camera's blurred up all of a sudden, but whatever. There you go. That was the last required weekly test of summer 2023.
Chance of showers after mid...
If you couldn't already tell, I also just woke up. I missed Norton's test by about 5 minutes. Like, literally 5 minutes. But I woke up just in time for this one. That is the last RWT of the summer because next Wednesday is my first day of senior year of high school. Which is both terrifying and exciting at the same time. For me, all it means I get to leave and go in later, or early if I want to. There you go, folks. There you go. Hope you guys enjoyed.